Only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby,
okay, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, y'all, so we're about to get into it. So Zariah is opening the first box. First box is from Amazon. We don't know what's in the box. She doesn't know what's in the box. I've ordered so much stuff, I can't remember. Who knows? Alright.
So it looks like this is some pressing
Amazon.
pressing
Don't need that
oil.
anymore.
It looks like this some pressing
Oh, yeah. So I ordered some pressing oil, y'all. Can y'all see that? I bought a straightening comb, electric straightening comb. I did not have one. I have some Marcel's. So I bought some pressing cream for when I use that straightening comb. But it's pressing oil. I said pressing cream. It's pressing oil. Y'all see that? Okay.
What does that do?
Grease your scalp. Make sure your hair is protected during, well, ideal for use for the why she asking me questions? Alright, so I'm opening the next box. It's my oil diffuser. Oils, essential oils, y'all. I got it from Amazon.
That was so fake.
Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Let me take that out so y'all can see. Y'all, this is so good. I just ordered an oil diffuser. I love essential oils. I love candles, really. Anyways, I love candles because I love aromatherapy. Aromatherapy does something for me. It helps me get through my day. So definitely, y'all, if you're on Amazon, I think these were like $9.95 for all of these. So I have peppermint, lavender, lemongrass, orange, eucalyptus. How you say that? Eucalyptus and tea tree. So,
Ooh, let's see what they do.
y'all, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait.
It doesn't speak
I'm
English.
super excited about this.
Ooh.
Gosh.
English where? Oh.
And this is the name brand of it, y'all. But you can just go on Amazon and put in essential oils and it should come up.
Yeah, they do stuff too. Like the eucalyptus helps promote concentration, memory, and optimism, and helps relieve stress and sadness. And the flavor
Yes, I need that. Yes,
And the
everybody needs
flavor?
something in their life.
is tangerine. Don't taste that. I'm pretty sure it tastes bad.
They're not edible, but, or did they say they were edible? I know that they said you can put them on your hair.
Oh no, I went into reading a different, but that's not true. Do not eat.
You saw it on there? Okay, anyways, moving right along. I know you can put the tea tree oil on your hair because I read it during the process of purchasing.
And it says
So-
tea tree oil is good for acne. I need some of that. And it says clean pores with a lavender drops, and put it over some steam.
Okay, next, Zariah.
Next thingy.
Opening the next package. Opening the next package. Opening the next package. Opening the next package.
These packages.
Opening the next package.
I be thinking these packages will be easy to open because it came in stuff like this. But since the fact that the boxes don't ever
Yeah, they're on the side. Okay.
Okay, the right side.
Just making sure.
You know me. You know me. You know me.
Okay, so this bag has a wig in it. Anything else in the bag? Or is this a wig?
Where's the present?
Okay, well, that's it. Who needs that bag? All right. You want to talk about this wig?
Well, I mean, there's nothing really to talk about. It's black. And
Her name is Dashley.
And she has a deep
Fashion
center
Meets
part.
Hair. She is a
Lace front.
lace unit. Lace front wig. She has a deep center part.
And can be flat.
She can accept heat, and she is in the color 1B.
Yeah, I kind of start cutting the thing on accident. Oops.
And she is not for me. She is for not my color, y'all. I don't do 1B. And if anybody wants to know this wig that I'm wearing, this beautiful wig that I am wearing right now, I purchased her from divatress.com, and she is in the wet lace collection. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up another container. I know this one came from Walmart, so I'm pretty sure I know what this is. This is my my pen for my iPad. It's my iPad pen, y'all. Let's see what this is looking like, because
You have your own scissors.
then I want to use those.
Mine.
Give it. Okay. And don't need the trash, so. Alright. I thought I would have some replacement parts in here, but I guess not. But this is a pen for my iPad.
What for
It's a
iPhone?
stylus for iPhone,
I do cartoons.
iPads,
I do some good cartoons.
cartoons,
Good cartoons. Good cartoons.
all of that.
Good cartoons.
So basically, I had purchased one for Amazon. It didn't work for my iPad. I have an older iPad. I have an iPad Air 2.
Yeah.
So I looked up best pens for an older iPad, and this one came up. So I'm gonna try to use it, see if it works. Praying that it does. Pray for me, because I need to use it for drawing.
I make some good cartoons.
All right,
Got a probe.
come on, let's open this box.
Okay. So I'm gonna open it like this so y'all can see.
Girl, they didn't need all that. But anyways, y'all, that's what I have to deal with on a daily basis.
Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Thought he got me. Ooh. So this is a humidifier.
Okay, so yeah, I got a humidifier.
Now,
Yeah, we got allergies, and I'm praying that this humidifier works.
it helps
good.
you breathe. What I do?
Okay.
This is what it looks like.
Praying that this humidifier works really good. It's a Vicks, so you know Vicks is a good name. You know, always hear good things about Vicks. If you got a Vicks humidifier, comment below. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how it works for y'all.
It looks like
This is the
something-
one we got. We got the mini filter-free cool mist humidifier. So if you have this one, definitely comment below. Let me know how it goes, how it's working for y'all. I saw kind of mixed reviews on Amazon, so not really sure how it's gonna work, but definitely if you all want to know how it works, or if it's gonna work, or if it's working, definitely comment below. I can do an update on it. But we will see. We'll see how it goes.
Yep. How it goes.
Okay.
Next time.
So, next thing. I got some rainbow shirts. Rainbow shirts. Y'all, Rainbow is one of my favorite stores because they have urban clothing at a very cheap price. And, I mean, you can't beat it.
Just promote her. She orders all the time. I got my earrings from Rainbow.
I do not, I'm not promoting Rainbow at all, but I am telling y'all that it's one of my favorite stores. So,
That's pretty.
first,
Is that from Wong?
this is my shirt. Y'all, stop. This is my show and tell. Go ahead and take the next thing out, Ryan. But anyways, this is a checkered shirt that I received, that I purchased. Not received, I purchased it with my own money.
You got a gift. Oh,
And, no, that's the
a
receipt.
receipt. What?
But I thought it was really cute. So,
These are
it's a
not-
size 3X. Since then, I've lost some weight, so I'm hoping I can fit in it. Pretty sure I can. Might be a little big, but oh well.
This is my sister's. I can't fit these.
So I got my other daughter, my youngest daughter, some jeans. And they're cute. Can I take this stuff out the bag? I don't know.
Yeah. Or maybe not. I don't know.
So y'all can see it. See the texture of it. Some cute little jeans. Cute little stone wash jeans. I don't know if that's how they, if that's what they still call them, but that's what I called them. That's what we called them back in the day, stone wash jeans. What do y'all call them? Do y'all call them a certain thing? Y'all young people, I don't know.
I don't know. I just be calling them whatever. They look like some tie-dye pants.
It's called stone wash.
Off-white. Bleach. Okay. Oh, this is another shirt.
Now these are my pants.
That's a cute outfit. Where are you going?
They got some like little, they're like leggings, but they're not. They're pleather.
Are you?
And they have slits in them, so by the knees. So
This might be a
yeah,
little too big.
it's gonna be cute, and I'm gonna wear it with that shirt. So.
You think these will be?
And I'm thinking about wearing some heels with it, but anyway, that's a whole nother vlog.
You think these will be a little too big for me? I don't know.
And then here's another shirt for my youngest daughter, and I thought this was very cute.
White pants.
It looks like everything came correct, y'all, which is good. Because you know how sometimes you get stuff and stuff is not the right price. So these pants were $10.99. $10.99 for these pants. For my daughter's pants that I just showed y'all, they were,
Mom, you got a 728 when I was 5.
they were,
Mommy, I was a size 5 and you got a 728.
Sky, I mean Zariah, please stop.
Okay.
These were $14.99. My shirt was give y'all the prices. My shirt was $8.99. So I got a whole outfit for like under $20. This little shirt right here was $7.99, and it comes with a little bow, a little thing for her hair. I thought that was so cute. Look at the little unicorns. I thought it was so cute. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna let her tell you what she got.
Oh, okay. I got some white brick pants. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Good quality, good quality. Maybe it's a little too big, but good quality. Came white. This one came blue. Good quality, good quality. Might be a little too big, but good quality, good quality. It's size 7, 8.
Let's see how much these were. So these pants were,
It said it right here.
approximately,
Never mind.
they were $16.99. So these pants were $16.99, not bad. And these pants were $18.99 for the white. But they're not bad. Okay. Next up, we got another box. Okay, and I think this box, I think I know what this is. I think this is my wigs from BriCreatives. I told y'all I got this on. Oh, I didn't tell y'all her name. Her name is Raina. This is Raina. I ordered her off of BriCreatives. She is in the wet lace, Swiss lace collection.
So why do you remember all the wigs and you but can't remember my name?
Y'all know when children talking, you have to ignore them. Cause I Claire. Maybe why children try their parents? Why?
Cause we love y'all.
Y'all, I've been waiting for this doggone hair. I've been waiting for this hair. Y'all got to go online. This is another wet lace, y'all. Her name is Solana, and y'all got to go online and check her out, y'all. People have her on. Let me tell you, she parts so good.
Is she 360?
She can part all the way across the front. Y'all, I got her in flamboyage copper, and this one I cannot wait to try on. I might do a review on her because
Let's do a review
she the bomb.
together.
She the bomb. I think I'm gonna do the review by myself.
Alright. Disappointment face.
Okay, and I have another one, y'all. This one is sorry, y'all. It's from Bobby Balls. Bobby Balls B. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. This is a lace front, Swiss lace as well. Bobby Balls wig. Her name is Raka. I don't like how it came in the box. Oh, smushed down. Like, what the world? Never had a wig come in the box like that before. Like somebody that took it out and looked at it and put it on or something. I don't know about that. But anyways, it should be okay. I've never had a problem with Diva Tress. So, we'll see. Okay. Last package. I can't remember what this is. Oh. I know what this is. This probably is from... This is from Amazon. I don't know what this is. Let me see.
Must be something fragile.
It's not anything fresh. Doubt it.
Must be something soft.
Okay.
Fragile.
Oh. What's this?
DJ stuff?
Did I have this up here?
I mean, you're showing it now.
Anyways, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh! Duh. I ordered lashes.
We're sharing.
Or probably not.
Can I have the ones in your eyes?
No. Why is she asking me stuff? See, this is why you can't do stuff with children. I'm trying to, you can't do stuff with children. This is why you cannot do nothing with children. I'm gonna ask for some lashes in a video. Where they do that at? So, I got the wispy lashes because wispy is my favorite kind. They are human and they are 3D.
If I paid you $1, can I have some?
Y'all like wispy? They're my favorite kind of lashes. So, I guess I'll be cute in the house, y'all, because we ain't got nowhere to go.
That's what I do.
We still in the quarantine. Oh, and the other thing that was in the bag is some little boxers, y'all. They were so cute that I got from my toddler. I thought they were so cute. Little baby boxers. And he is potty training. And let me tell you, potty training is hard. I didn't have... It wasn't that hard for my girls, but for a little boy, it's hard. Little boys, because they rebellious right off gate. Telling you. Oh, good gracious. But look, y'all. Look. It's so cute.
I don't think DJ wants to see you see his boxers on camera.
It's so cute, y'all. They're so little. Oh, that was so cute. But anyways, so, y'all, that's all we got. We didn't unbox everything, y'all. I got some more stuff coming this week. But anyway,
I gotta show y'all. So I gotta give y'all this wig review. So
okay, you do this later. Not in this video. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for viewing our video today. Once again, my name is Beena Bug, aka Bree, and this is Zariah. Make sure that y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that y'all will see more videos from me. I'm super goofy, and if y'all want to see comedy and silliness along with seriousness, definitely
goofy on a whole nother level.
Hit the bell, y'all, so y'all can get reminders when my videos come in. And also, y'all, go ahead and like the video. Thank y'all so much for viewing today. Y'all have a good one, and happy quarantining. Wash your hands. Bye, y'all.
And cover your mouth when you cough.